Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Brunita. I am going to share 3 easy chats today. The first recipe is gonna be Masala Peanuts chaat. It's a super simple recipe. Note down or screenshot it.
So let's get started. Add evenly chopped tomatoes into a clean bowl. Add some red chili powder, coriander powder, a pinch of salt to taste, roughly chopped coriander leaves, and finally masala peanuts. You can also add plain salty peanuts instead. Mix all the ingredients together and your spicy masala peanut chaat is ready.
This dish serves as a perfect starter to any boring evening. Let's hop on to the second recipe, sweet corn dahi puri. Note down or screenshot this recipe for your reference and let's get started. Boil some sweet corn, or you can use a frozen one. Chop onions and coriander leaves. You'll also need these puris. These puris are easily available in Indian markets. Then these puris and set them aside. Once they are ready, let's do the filling. Fill these puris with boiled sweet corn. You can add a generous amount of sweet corn. If you are using the frozen ones, you needn't boil them. Just thaw them, adding a little bit of water in a microwave for a minute, and that should do. Next, fill it with some finely chopped onions, followed by coriander leaves. Sprinkle some save on top, onions if needed. Also, don't forget to sprinkle some chaat masala powder and a pinch of salt. Layering is completely left up to your choice. You can layer any ingredient as per your mood. Now layer it again with some yogurt, some namkeen tamarind chutney, some more save and coriander leaves again. And your sweet corn dahi save is ready. This no cook recipe is really essential for any competition. Let's go through the last recipe of the day, popcorn chaat, popcorn bhel. Again, note down or screenshot this recipe so that you'll find it useful. Take a clean mixing bowl and add finely chopped onions, tomatoes, grated carrots, and finely chopped coriander leaves. Adding green chilies is optional. You can add it or skip it up. Add turmeric powder, chaat masala powder, red chili powder, and salt. And mix well. Add about a teaspoon of lime juice. Mix it well. And add popcorn. You can either add the ready-made ones or make it yourself. I have a detailed video in my channel on how to make homemade popcorn. Click the I card to watch the video. Add popcorn and some save and your popcorn chaat is ready. Serve this chatpata chaat immediately. I hope you found this recipe useful and you will try it as well. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, to which links are provided in the description box below. All of your suggestions, queries and requests are welcome in the comment section below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.